Cábhail tú I do chonai. Where do you live? Teach. Tá mé imime chonai I teach gá stór sa baile mór. Tá seomraí leapa, hála agus seomra folca thuas staire. Tá cistinn, seomra sí, béalinn agus seomra sprí thíos staire. Is bralum mai cheach mar tá gardín cúil an tí. Bím ag sprí sa gardín. House. I live in a 2-story house in a big city, sa baile mór. There are bedrooms, a hall and a bathroom upstairs, thuas staire. There's a kitchen, a sitting room, a dining room and a playroom, thíos staire, downstairs. I love my house because there is a big garden at the back. I love playing in the garden. Árasán. Tá mé imime chonai in árasán sa chathaoir. Tá cistinn, seomra sí, seomraí leapa agus seomra folca san árasán. Is maith liom má árasán mar tá páirc mór in aice le má árasán. Bím ag sprí sa pharc. Árasán, apartment. I live in an apartment in the city, sa chathaoir. There is a kitchen, a sitting room, bedroom and a bathroom in the apartment. I like my apartment because it is beside in Akala Park Moor, a big park. I have fun in the park. Bungalow. Tá mé imime chonai a bungalow faoin tua. Tá hála cistinn, seomra sí, béalinn, seomraí leapa agus seomra folca sa bungalow. Is maith liom ach fearr liom teach gá stór má bhaile liom staire. A bungalow. I live in a bungalow in the countryside, faoin tua. There is a hall, a kitchen, a sitting room, a dining room, bedrooms and a bathroom in the bungalow. I like it, but I would prefer I'd prefer teach gá stór, a 2-story house, because mar bhaile liom staire. I like stairs.